Hello everyone, today we are back with part 2 of the brand new Dell Vostro 165625 Ryzen 5 laptop video. This time we will be taking a look at the performance of this machine. Again, this machine is slightly larger than our usual machines with a 16-inch display. And for those of you who haven't watched part 1 yet, the retail price for this laptop is around £707 in the UK. You can click the little box in the top right of the video to watch part 1 where we unbox and review the laptop based on our first look at this machine. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, and with that said, let's get on with the benchmarks. Benchmarks essentially test how good a machine is in terms of power and performance. The first test we carried out was Cinebench, which is tested in multi-core and single-core. The multi-core score for this machine was 6087, which is pretty good, scoring second in the graph. The single-core test scored 1276, which again is reasonably good, ranking in the upper half of the graph. The next test was PC Mark. This tests the performance of the machine when doing things like attending conference calls, etc. The result for this test was 5008, which is a strong score. .3DMark tests more graphics-oriented things such as gaming. The result for this came back at 760, which is an average score. Geekbench was next, with a multi-core score of 4434 and a single-core score of 1678. This was a pretty good score, ranking towards the top of the graph. Crystal Disk Mark is used to test the read and write speeds of a machine. Here are the results for this laptop. We also took a look at the power of this machine, which is useful to know if you are going to be using this laptop daily, especially when traveling. We tested how long it would take for the laptop to charge from 0 to 100%. The graph shows that this laptop took approximately 2 hours and 24 minutes to fully charge, which is actually the longest out of all of the other results. We also tested how long it would take for the battery to drain completely when running at full power. The time taken for this machine was 2 hours and 20 minutes, which is reasonably average. And that brings us to the end of this video. We hope you found this useful and that it helps you decide whether this laptop is for you. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you are new, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video. That's all from us, and we will see you soon for another video. Bye!